to let go when I was younger, scared of growing old. I would swim far into the ocean and try to stay afloat, until my lungs would cough up water and sand would coat my bones. And now I feel worthless. Maybe I should open the drawer, burn the pages, write poems with the ash on the floor, pour the ink into the sink and watch it drain from the shore. I don't want love no more, though it's the one thing I've been searching for, though it's the one thing that I miss the most. I'm afraid to be alone. I was to grow old when I was younger, scared of staying young, afraid of the thoughts that I conjured that sat atop my tongue, knowing I'd change the world's opinion if they would just